Hello everyone. In this video, we are discussing about logical operators, right? So uh, we will not waste any time, guys. We will just see programs and we will discuss how actually they work, right? So if you ask ChatGPT, it gives you a lot of words, okay? So just come here, okay? So A is 5, right? B has 10. Now you see these two these are the logical operators, okay? So this is AND operator, guys. What is AND operator actually? If you provide these operators, then both of the condition, or how many conditions are there, all the conditions should be true, right? So if A is greater than 0 and B is greater than 0, then both A and B are positive numbers, right? Else one or both are not positive numbers. If you know so here A is 5, B is 10, so both are positive, right? So this is why it is giving us the perfect result, right? So if you give -5 here, so these will give the else result, right? One or both numbers are positive. Okay, both numbers are not positive anyway. Okay, so we can go to the next program, guys. These are really these are not that much hard programs, guys. So here you see uh, you know uh, or operator, guys. So or means any of the two should be true, right? So age is 20 and has permission equals to 0. That means there is no permission. Maybe it's for concert ticket or cinema ticket, anything. So has permission equals to 0. That means 0 means no permission, right? So if age is greater than 18 or has permission, any of the two should be true, right? So if has permission was okay and age was like below 18, access uh, access granted, any of the two should be okay, guys. Okay, so if you are underage but uh, you have ticket or maybe permission, then you can enter, right? So let's see if it's okay. So in this case we have 20, so 20 is greater than 18, so we will our access is granted, right? So let's say we are giving 15 here, and we are making this one has permission 1. That means we have permission, right? So in this case access granted, you see, guys. And if you make this 0, that means no permission and your age you're underage, then access will be denied, right? You see, access denied. So any one, both of them, any of the variable, any of the condition should be true, guys, right? So this is what it actually means. I hope you understand. Now logical not operator, guys. If you see, we will just copy this program and main. Okay, so is logged in 0. That means user is not logged in, right? So is logged in not, that means user is not logged in. Okay, okay, so that means, you see, if we just run this program, user is not logged in. So if you give here 1, okay, user is logged in, guys. So in this case, is logged in not, okay, so is not logged in. Okay, so is user is logged in, it's not logged in, it's not like he is not logged in. Okay, so this if not is true, that means user is not logged in. Okay, so if is not logged in is 1, that means uh, user is logged in. So here is logged in false, no, because when it's 1, then he is logged in actually. So I hope you understand. We are going to the next program, guys. Here it's combining. Okay, so combining operators to just give us a little bit complexity, right? Age is 20 and has ticket 1. Okay, so here condition is age should be greater than 18 or equals 18, and age should be, less than 25 or equals 25. That means our age has to be 18 to 25, right? Or has ticket. So that means we should have ticket, whatever our age is, we should have ticket, or our age should be between in this range, right? So like your age uh, can't be, more than 25, right? Because age should be less than 25 or equal to. Okay, so if you give like 35 here, so you're out of range, your age is out of range, but you have ticket, so you can enter, right? So you are allowed entry. So if you give 18 here, 18 here, so you're allowed entry, right? So it doesn't matter if you have ticket. So this means we don't have ticket, but our age is 18. Okay, so these condition, these, you know uh, uh, these conditions should be true. Okay, greater than 18 or equals 18, and less than 18 equals 25. Okay, so these should be, these, of course this should be true, or has ticket. Okay, okay, so if, you know if you just give here 17, then you are just breaking this, this condition is false, right? And we don't have ticket, then entry not allowed. Okay, so let me just explain some more, guys. We have here common mistakes with logical operators, right? So confusing and double and these are confusing, right? Are bitwise operators. So one and is bitwise operator, two and is logical operator. So we need to keep this in mind. But bitwise operator I will discuss in the next video. What is bitwise operator and everything. A misunderstanding short circuit evaluation. In and in if the first condition is false, then the second condition is not evaluated. Okay. uh, okay, in or if the first condition is true, the second condition is not evaluated. Okay, uh, you can guess these things too. Okay, so and means both of the conditions should be true, or means any of the conditions should be true. Okay, this can save time, but also means that side effects like function calls may not occur in the condition is short circuited. Practice exercise for viewers. So okay, so these things should be, we need to be careful about these things. But maybe as a, as a normal programmer, or in the beginning we will not deal with bitwise operators, right? But we will see what bitwise operators are and how they work. We'll see in the next video. So thank you for watching, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe, and uh, practice with me, guys. Okay, thank you for watching.